All right, welcome everybody to your first opportunity to work with data sets and the data tools. Obviously, we're going to work with Power BI as we've talked about in the courses to date, and this will be your first opportunity to kind of work with some data related to the subject matter we've been talking about. If you haven't done this already, please go to DC Connect, download the information set that's available. It's the CSV file that is located on the page called Recruitment and Selection Activity Year End Report.csv. It's under the practice activity under the summary page for week 3. All right, once you have that data set, you're going to open up PowerBI.com. You'll see I already have that open. You should be looking at something that looks just like this. Once you've done that, we're going to go through the process of actually getting you using the data, using the simple tools and power of this data. So to do this, we're going to start with get data. If you don't see it, that's okay. It's down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen with a little upwards arrow on a 45-degree angle. Right here when you see my cursor move. If you click Get Data, it's going to bring you to the Get Data screen. You'll notice there's a few options here. I'm not going to teach you everything you need to know about Power BI, but I will teach you how to get files. You're going to go and create new content. And you're going to go under Files, and you're going to select Get. When you do that, it's going to ask you where you want to get that file from. You're going to probably get it from your local file right now because you just downloaded it. If you click Local File, it'll open a browser window, at which point you can find your downloaded CSV file. In this particular case, mine's in my downloads, and I'm going to hit Open. Once I do that, you'll notice I get this little window here. It says Importing Data. This could take a while. Some of your screens will auto-refresh once that screen clears. Other ones, you'll just need to hit the refresh. It all depends on a variety of different circumstances that I can't manage abroad. So if you don't see it like I don't see it right now, head up here, hit the refresh on your browser, and when it comes back up, you should be able to see two entries in there. There is a data set and a dashboard. All right. We're going to work with the data set, and it's fairly simple. You're going to click on that data set, and it's going to refresh the screen for you yet again to this new workspace. This is your workspace, and a lot of data sets and things will end up here. What I don't want you to learn how to use the tools or anything to that effect. We're going to use something simple called Create a Report. Again, sometimes these tools refresh and they don't. If you click on Create a Report and you don't see the auto create, which is the first option here, hit refresh and you should. If you do see the auto create, you're going to click on that button. Once you click on that button, it will develop a nice dashboard for you. Once you have this dashboard, you have loaded the data set in, you have the data kind of presented in a way that is visualized, that you can reference, and you're really good now to go and take a look at the questions that are being asked to research through or search through this data to answer those questions. All right? Make sure you bring any challenges or problems that you have to class with you. Thanks. I look forward to seeing you guys in class. Take care.